Why can't I upgrade my Spotify to premium? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if you're not being able to upgrade your Spotify to premium, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, if you are not being able to upgrade your Spotify account to premium, probably because you have been trying from the app and on iPhone. You cannot subscribe to premium on iPhone from the app because you have to use your browser. For Android users you can, but not for iOS users. So whether you're an iOS or Android user, I would recommend that you open your browser, go to spotify.com and log into the account on which you want to upgrade to premium. Then tap on the gear icon from the top right, then go to this option that says premium. Now you can simply select premium individual plan, or you can tap on view all plans option, select another plan that you want depending upon what is comfortable for you. Then just enter your street addresses and so on, enter your credit, debit card or PayPal account, and then after that you will be able to go ahead and then upgrade your Spotify to premium. So these were the reasons as to why you weren't being able to upgrade to premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.